In solving this problem, the goal is to isolate the exponential part of the equation first, and then you can try to solve it. Therefore, if we add 5 both sides, we get 16 on the right hand side, and on the left hand side we are left with 3 to the 2x plus 1. 16 cannot be expressed as a power of 3, therefore we take logs or ln both sides. So let us take ln both sides. So we have ln 3 to the 2x plus 1 equals ln 16. Now we can write the exponent as a product of the logs. Therefore we have 2x plus 1 times ln 3 equals ln 16. Let us isolate the variable 2x plus 1 by dividing both sides by ln 3. Therefore we have 2x plus 1 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have ln 16 over ln 3. We need to solve for x, so we subtract 1 both sides, so we have 2x is equal to ln 16 over ln 3 minus 1. We can divide both sides by 2, therefore we have x equals ln 16 over 2 ln 3 minus 1 over 2. Let us use our calculator and work out the value of x.